What is good, YouTube? It is me, your girl. What is good, YouTube? It is me, your girl. My son is my son. This is going to be a plus size haul video. The items I picked up are from Burlington Coat Factory. It's Fashion Metro and Forever 21. If you haven't, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Go ahead and leave a positive comment. Give me a thumbs up. And, become part of my world. My son is my son. So after this, guys, either before this video posts or after, I do have a shoe haul, and then after that I'm going to start doing some lookbooks. So I'm just going to show you what I got, and you'll see the items put in lookbooks, and you can just reference back to these videos to see where I got them from, the price and the sizes and all that. So let's go ahead and get to it. The first item I got is a home decor. It's $1.99. My daughter actually found this in Burlington, and it says the future of the world is in my classroom today. If you don't know from watching my videos, I am teaching my first year of first grade, starting this school year, so I thought this was something cute just to put on my desk.
Nails too. Anything for a hot nail.
And then from Burlington for $6.99 in a size large, I got a halter top Fila shirt, and I thought it was just so cute to wear for the summer. It has like that velour feeling. It has Fila there, and it was just $6.99. I thought that was cute for the summer. The next thing I got from Burlington for $1.99, size large, this cute little white shirt. It has the ruffling as the sleeves on both sides, and you can see that ruffle detail in the back. Size large, $1.99. The next item that I got for $2.99, size large, is another cute little ruffle shirt detail, professional looking shirt for school. And I liked how it just is free flowing. It just looks very flowy. I love the look of that. And I might go through my items quicker and not just maul over or just go on and on about a certain item, because I have a lot of stuff to show y'all. Next item from Burlington for $2.99, again size large. I thought this shirt was cute to wear with some cute little dress pants or dress trousers. That ruffle detail, it will be the statement on the shirt. And it's just a scoop neck with the 3/4 sleeve. Yeah, that's going to be a 3/4 sleeve on me. And they're going to go already, yeah, 3/4 sleeve. And, yeah, just a cute shirt. Color, gray color. Like I said, y'all, I'm going to do a lookbook, so don't worry about, if you're trying to think about how it will fit. These were a size 18 petite for $2.99 from Burlington. They are the brand Faded Glory, which I'm surprised was at Burlington. That's probably why they were cheaper. But they were originally $9, and I got them for $3. 18 petite, and they're just some skinny leg jeans, like when you can dress casual. I wear jeans and stuff, cute t-shirts and things like that. Next item I got from Burlington, size petite extra large, $1.99. I can't see the original price, but there are these cute, like, what are these called? Paper bag waist. It has that cute tie. You can see the ruffle detail around the waist. It does have the elastic. And they're just long white. And I thought on a day where maybe we're just having like professional development, I can wear something like this. But I won't wear these in the classroom because I teach first grade and I like to sit on the floor and all that. So these are just some professional pants if I have to wear in a professional setting. I'll pair this with a nice button up. Next item, we're going to go to our It's Fashion Metro bag. First I'm going to pull out was $2.99, size 1X. It's a cute white top. Again, this is the It's Fashion Metro bag. And it just looks like this. I love the sleeves. I just love that sleeve detail there. And yeah, it's just a cute top. Next, from It's Fashion. Y'all, I had a black shirt in here too, but I already wore it, so y'all won't see that in the haul. I'm sorry. But this is the size 1X. Where's the tag on it? I don't see the tag, but it's a cute. I love the bell kind of sleeve. It's like a lacy floral cardigan, and I think I only paid like $6.99 for it. It was not very expensive at all. That's why I got it. I thought this would be cute to wear. We're just, y'all will see in the lookbook, but it's going to be cute. Something I'm going to put in a professional environment. Oh, sorry, here go the tag for that. It was $3.99. That thing was only $3.99, y'all. Sorry, I dropped the next shirt. Okay, guys. Next item I got from It's Fashion is a long sleeve tie-dye shirt. And this isn't for the school. This is just for me. I paid $2.99 for it, size 2X tie-dye shirt, and it just says blessed. So yeah, it just says blessed. Of course, it's missing the E, but E there. But we know it means blessed. So I thought that was very cute for $3. Let's go on to Forever 21. So the first item, I'm pulling out my Forever 21 bag. I am missing a black tank top from Forever 21, so y'all won't see that. But it's just a regular black tank. This is a size large. I paid $3 for it. Originally $10. And I thought it was cute to tuck into high-waist jeans. Just a scoop neck black shirt. And I just love it because I love sleeves that have like that little puff. I don't know why I like shirts like that. But yeah, $3. This was $4.99 from Forever 21. And it's just a black, size large. This is not black. A white V-neck shirt. It's a plain V-neck shirt from Forever 21. Next thing I got from Forever 21, I got a size 2X cardigan for $3. And I thought it would be cute to put in a lookbook for a professional when it starts getting chillier. And when it's cold, this will be so cute to put on in the classroom. So this is how it looks. It has those cute, like the little buttons. I like the button. I don't know what pattern that is, but that was $3, size 2X. Next thing I got from Forever 21, size 2X again, something that was $3, is this cute sweater. I love sweaters and skinny trousers or skinny leg jeans during the fall and the winter. That's my go-to style. So it's a cute little sweater, and I know it's not the season for it, but look at these sleeves. I could not pass up that balloon sleeve detail for $3. Yes, in the color it's cute too. The next thing I got from Forever 21 is this 0X shirt in a size, that's a size 0X, and it was only $3. And again, it's just a professional looking shirt. It's that polka dot pattern along the shirt. It does have a little X there, so it's like a flowy shirt. And the 0X, I did try this on. The sleeves are a little tight, so I probably won't be able to wear this yet because I don't like it being too tight on my upper arms where I'm heavier at. I don't like it, y'all. So y'all, that is my haul. If you enjoyed, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment something positive below that you liked in the haul. Comment something that you would like to see in a haul. If you haven't, guys, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do some lookbooks and throw these outfits together. You need to like this video. Hit that notification bell. And, you know, let's link up. So guys, like I said, I do have a shoe haul coming up after this video, or it might be posted before, so stay tuned for that, y'all. And if you don't know, my favorite thing to say on my channel is to remember to love yourself before you can love someone else. It is me, your girl. My son's my son. Bye, guys.